Solving quadratic equations. To solve quadratic equations, you're going to solve for x, and x is this is x squared. So you're going to isolate the 100 first. So when you add 100 on both sides, you get x squared equals 100. X squared equals 100. To do the opposite operation, you're going to take a square root on both sides. And whenever you take a square root, you're going to add plus or minus sign. Square root and square cancel each other, so you get x equals square root of 100 is 10. For 5b, you're going to add 27 on both sides. 3x squared equals 27, and you isolate the x squared by dividing 3 on both sides. Now x squared equals 9, and x will be, when you take a square root on both sides and add plus or minus, x will be equals plus or minus 3. Now let's look at 5c. So for 5c, you're going to isolate the square item, which is this one that you're going to isolate. So subtract 8 on both sides. So you're going to get 108 minus 8 would be 100. Now let's just divide 5 on both sides, and you're going to get x minus 3 equals 20. And then you take a square root on both sides and add plus or minus. X minus 3 will be equal to plus or minus 20. Now add 3 on both sides, and this 3 will be cancelled from the x side, and you're going to get x equals 3 plus or minus square root 20. Now let's break the square root 20. So square root 20 is 4 times 5. And square root of 4 is 2. So 2 square root 5. So you're going to get here is x equals, so instead of 20, we're going to write the 2 square root 5. And that's going to be your answer. Remember, we are going to break the square root 20 if it's possible. And we did break the 20 as 2 square root 5.